In this video, I'll show you how to connect the Google AI Studio API step by step in 2026. Once your API is connected, you can use Gemini AI in your own apps, websites, chatbots, and automation projects. Let's begin. First, open Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. Make sure you've already created an API key. If you haven't, generate one from the *API keys * section and copy it to a secure location. Next, open your project in your favorite code editor, such as Visual Studio Code. Google AI Studio supports Python, JavaScript, and REST API, so you can use the language that best fits your project. Now install the official Google Gen AI SDK if you're using Python or JavaScript. After the installation is complete, create a new file or open your existing project. Paste your API key into your configuration or use an environment variable for better security. After that, import the Google Gen AI library, select a Gemini model, and write a simple prompt. Run your program, and if everything is configured correctly, you'll receive an AI-generated response from the API within a few seconds. If the connection doesn't work, double-check your API key, internet connection, installed SDK version, and project configuration. Most connection issues are caused by an incorrect API key or configuration error. Once your API is connected successfully, you can build AI chatbots, generate content, write code, summarize documents, analyze images, and create many other AI-powered applications using Google's Gemini models. And that's how to connect the Google AI Studio API in 2026.